Hi. For this part of the project, I opened all my images and I copied by highlighting them. Oops, sorry, I already had that done. You hit Control C and then you open it to where you want it and you hit Control V. So I've imported all my images. At this point, I would highlight a layer, shift, and highlight all of them. Then you go up to layers, and you have to make sure you rasterize your images. Mine I had already done because I had stepped through this but went back to videotaping it. Once this is done, if you're actually doing this on an iPad, you can export, and in here you'll have to Adobe Aero, but because I'm doing it on my laptop, I have to do it differently. So I have to go to Script, and I'm going to export layers to file, and click. And I'm going to choose where I want it to go. I created a folder on my desktop. It says in my Wild Things, but it's Wild Things PSD because that's the format I'm going to keep them in. I'm going to click OK, click Run. You're going to see it start this process. This takes a second. You'll see it keep running through and shutting layers off because it's doing them individually. This process, it's pretty quick, but it does take some time. If you're lucky enough and you have Photoshop on your iPad, like I said, this is a lot easier. You can actually choose just to export it to there. So once I have all of that done, then what I need to do is go to my Google Docs, and I need to upload a folder, and I'm going to upload as soon as I'm going to upload that folder that's Wild Thing PSD. And then my next step has to be done on the iPad. But one important step that I actually left out, you have to make sure that when you create, you can do up to 6 layers, but you want to make sure they're under, I believe it's 13. I'll have to check that. Megabytes in order for it to work properly in Aero. If you go larger than that, then it has a tendency to actually crash. So all 4 of my layers are updated. Like I said, now I am going to be switching over to my iPad. So this is my last update until I get it together. Thank you.